Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both numerator and denominator by x. Similar for this one. Now we need to simplify. This one is about 3, this one is about 1, this one is about 1, and this one is about 2. Now when s approaches to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity, number divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. Similar for this one and this one. And now we can get the final answer. So we calculate about this number in here, and we will have about 5/2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.